Hello guys, welcome to Skyboom's workshop, the professional manufacturer for aerial work platforms. Here, our skilled engineers and technicians design and build some of the most advanced aerial work platforms in the industry. Hello everyone, I'm Joyce from Skyboom. At Skyboom, we committed to providing our customer the safest and the most reliable aerial work platform on the market. We use the latest technology and materials to ensure our products to meet the highest standards of quality and performance. The team at Skyboom is dedicated to excellence in all aspects of the manufacturing process, from design to testing to assembly. This is our Scissor lift. The model range from 4 meters to 6 meters. The Scissor steel brand is Q500D and robot welded, and the whole structure parts are electrophysics treatment and powder printed. All the parts we use the most famous and reliable brands. The online products are article boom lifts with electrical driver. We are using model rising boom design to ensure the performance is most stable, reliable, and comfortable. We have platform control and ground control system and equipment all the safety devices. Thank you for joining the tour of our workshop. If you are looking for a reliable and safe aerial work platform, Skyboom is your answer.
Scissor.com. Make global trade easier.